Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fun Art. Today let us see the third question of exercise 11.1. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 cm. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Let us assume this as a clock and our minute hand is 14 cm in radius and it is the longest hand. They've asked us to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. They've asked us to find this area. We'll have to find the theta. We know that the minute hand of a clock revolves 360 degrees to complete one circle. We have to find the theta taken to sweep 5 minutes. For 60 minutes, it sweeps 360 degrees. We have to find for 5 minutes. So we'll find the angle described by minute hand in 1 minute. How we'll do that? 360 by. So let me write it. Angle made by minute hand for 1 minute is equal to 360 degrees by 60. We'll get 6 degrees. For 5 minutes, we'll multiply 5 into 6 degrees, that is 30 degrees. So now we have received our theta as 30 degrees. So area swept for 5 minutes by the minute hand is theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is 30 degrees, pi is 22 by 7 and radius is given as 14 centimeter, 14 into 14. We'll get cancelling 3 by 36 as 1 by 12, 7 2s are 14. We'll get 44 into 14 by 12. Cancelling it by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 2 22s are 44. Cancelling further, 2 3s are 6, 2 11s are 22. 14 into 11 is 154. We get 154 divided by 3. Further simplifying, we get as 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. We'll get a decimal point continued by 0, 3 3s are 9 and we'll get recurring 3s. So we'll get the answer as 51.33 centimeters square. Therefore, area of minute hand swept in 5 minutes is 154 by 3 centimeters square, that is 51.33 centimeters square. Thank you. Happy learning.